Alright, hey, what's going on guys, ArxFX here, and this is a tutorial on the cameras, another part to my 1K special. This is like camera movement and stuff, so I'm just going to hop right in and, tell you guys what to do. I'm just going to make this 300, just because this are like 10 seconds, so this I like it. If you want to make it shorter, you make it shorter, do what you want. But first things first, we're going to go into this tab here. This is the splines tab, and I'm going to grab a circle. Circles are hot, Then we're going to grab a camera. Just going to drag the camera onto the circle like so. Check this little box to go into the camera view. And we're going to come down to position over here. 0, 0, negative 1000. Then rotation, we're going to go 0, 0. Okay. I'm just going to load up my my render settings real quick. Right, there we go. I'm just going to toggle that as well so we don't have to see the spline. And then what we'll do is we'll just import some text. So we're just going to name this banter, because that's what this is. This is just banter. That looks really funny in that. Right, bring that down at 125. I don't really like resizing text, but I'm just going to do it for this tutorial. And I'm going to add all my my fillet caps and stuff like that. Okay, so there's that. And we've just got some text there, just chilling. And then what I'll do is I'll import some other stuff, just some like, I don't know, a couple mats, because then you can see what it looks like, I guess. Okay, so wait, that did not. Right, that didn't come in. Let's just put that on there. Cubic, Right, so we've got this camera and stuff. So you might be wondering, how do we actually like move it and stuff, because if we just move normally, then we just move like this. So what you want to do is you just want to, the way that you rotate these is you have to like, you just have to, I don't know, you have to like rotate the circle. So you hit R to get the rotate thing up, or you just click on here, and as you can see, it kind of just rotates for you. Do a render. Oh, right. So yeah. Or you can just do it like this and then like this. But personally, I think it looks better more spontaneously, like rotated like that. Okay. Sorry about that. Right, so what I usually like to do is I usually like to drag it like kind of over like this, and I like to bring it back and then keyframe it to the back, and I come over to 90 frames, and then what I do is I drag it up and over, just over to the top like this, and kind of twist it a bit. This isn't what I do every time, obviously, guys. This is kind of what I just usually what I like go to the 90 frame thing. I keyframe it again, and I get to 100, and then what I do is I just drag it straight down, and then rotate it a bit, and then rotate it like this. So then we're like here, like this, perfectly. Let's just see how that looks. Sometimes it like bugs out, so. Yeah, like that. It kind of bugged out that time, so we're gonna have to redo that. I kind of deleted the camera. Wonderful. Right. And then we're gonna delete that. So we're over the top like this, and we're just gonna rotate like that. I'm gonna bring it up. I'm just gonna do this really quick, just for the oh shit, didn't mean to do that. Right. Go to 90 frames, then we'll rotate it. I'd advise that you guys know the basics of Cinema 4D to know how to do this, to be honest. So, right, we're here. And then we're gonna drop it like that. Okay, that'll do for now. Just try and make it as smooth as you can, guys. So, once I've done that, obviously it just stops. And it looks really stupid. It doesn't flow. So I drag my my marker over to 250 frames, and then I kind of like bring it down and around and stuff like that. just mess about with it. So then it flows a lot better if you just do that. You see, it does lag a bit just because I'm recording. You know, my computer's not used to it. I haven't recorded in so long. So once it gets to this 250 frame mark, then what? Then we go over to 300 frames, and what you see in some of my intros is how it kind of like goes around like this, and then it zooms in to the text. That's what I'm going to show you how to do now. So basically, all you got to do is just drag it back around, but in a shorter space of time than the other one. Oh, my eye. But yeah, then it like kind of comes back around. But in case you didn't know, it like zooms in on my intros. So we're gonna go and actually click on the actual camera, keyframe at 250, and go to 300 and zoom in as much as we can. So it's kind of, you know, it's quite cool. Let's see how that looks for you guys. So yeah, that's basically how you get smooth camera movements, you know. You can also play around like at the beginning with the camera, like make it stay like that, and then zoom out like so. And then when it goes like this, we can make it zoom out more and make the text small. I kind of like it when the text looks really small like that. I'm not sure why, but I just do. And it kind of zooms back in as well. So go with the text. So yeah, guys, that's basically the camera movements. Yeah, not really too much to say about it. It's kind of just how it is. That's all it is, really. Just top class banter. Also, guys, the materials for what I'm using right now are actually my own materials from my own paint, which you can go and buy at my shop with the 50% off. So yeah, that's basically it for this one, guys. This one was a bit of a shorter one. It's because, you know, it's just cameras, really, wasn't it? It's just cameras. I want to see what this actually looks like, because I never looked at it properly. That is the most disgusting material I've ever seen in my life. My God. So yeah, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.